Struggles often give birth to the most precious victories. Born into a family with economic limitations, I, Bening Lumintan Rimadani, realized that my path in life has not been easy. However, I do not see it as an obstacle, but rather as a challenge that strengthens my resolve to progress through education. Continuing my studies to university level is an important step to open up greater opportunities in the future, especially in changing my family's life and making a positive impact on society. Education is a bridge to break out of the circle of limitations and open up unlimited opportunities in the future. Through education, I am determined to not only change the fate of my family, but also make a real contribution to the wider community. My interests are divided between two different deep fields, namely design and math. In design, I see an opportunity to help society by designing eco-friendly and functional products, which can improve the quality of life without harming nature. On the other hand, my love for math drives me to continuously explore solutions to challenges. I believe that math and design have something in common when it comes to creating efficient and effective solutions. However, after considering my interests, talents, and experience, I decided to focus on product design. This major combines creativity and engineering and allows me to utilize my math and design skills to create innovative products that have a positive impact. This choice reflects my desire to combine art and science to create something that benefits society. As someone who comes from a family with economic limitations, I understand that education is main way to change the future. Through a full scholarship at SMA Unggulan Ceta Arsa Foundation Sukaharjo, I have the opportunity to learn and develop myself to the fullest. At this boarding school, I learned to work hard, be disciplined, and responsible, which sets me into a better person ready to face the outside world. The boarding school experience also strengthened my interest in design and math, which eventually led me to choose product design as my major at Institut Teknologi Bandung. Boarding school taught me many life lessons, especially in managing my time and responsibilities. I often had to complete school assignments, participate in extracurricular activities, and still excel in academics at the same time. Even in the midst of this busy schedule, I was committed to continue learning and preparing myself for my dream of continuing my education at ITB. Of course, this journey was not always smooth. There were times when I felt down, especially when I had done so many competitions over the past 2 years, but had yet to win. Despite this, I did not give up. I chose to see failure as a lesson learned and continued to fight in competitions and other activities. It was this perseverance and eventually molded me into a more resilient person. During high school, I was active in various organizations, extracurricular activities, and other activities that aligned me with my interests. I served as the head of Field 6 in the Student Council, where I was responsible for managing creative and entrepreneurial programs. Two of these programs are Arsa Tactic, a video content of tips and tricks for boarding school students, and DigiArt, which displays digital magazines made by each class on the school lobby TV. DigiArt is held regularly and contested, aiming to invite and provide informative information such as competitions, volunteer, scholarship, and other interesting educational information. In addition, I was also involved in activity as a student community in the 5P program, where I was in charge of making posters to promote school's event. This experience further strengthened my decisions to study production in the transnation organization, which also functions as a school cooperative. I manage events and become a supervisor. Here, I learned a lot about business management and communication, all of which are relevant to the world of product design that I want to pursue. My interest in the arts is also evident from my participations in extracurricular activities such as dance, karawitan, and marching band, which enriched my understanding of aesthetic and creativity. All this activity taught me the importance of teamwork and discipline in realizing a beautiful and harmonious work of art. Art, to me, is another way to express creative ideas that can be combined with design principles to create products that are not only functional but also have aesthetic value. My journey in participating in various competitions over the past 2 years has taught me about resilience and perseverance. Although I often feel down because I haven't managed to win many competitions, I never give up and continue to be active in competitions and other activities. Some of my achievements include being a finalist in the UGM Agropreneur Business Plan, a finalist in ITSK Sugeng Hartono Startup competitions, a semi-finalist in the ITS National Innovation Project, as well as winning a bronze medal in the Independence Day Maths Olympiad organized in an Instagram post. These achievements reflect my dedication and hard work in facing various challenges. I believe that every experience, whether successful or not, provides valuable lessons that will help me in the future. I am interested in continuing my studies at ITB because the university's product design program me offers an ideal combinations of creativity, engineering, and a deep understanding of user needs. To support my studies, I plan to apply for a pioneer scholarship. This scholarship offers great benefit and can ease my financial burden, allowing me to focus on my studies. I have been regularly studying for UTBK to prepare myself for this scholarship. Although the daily grind of boarding school often tests my resilience, my commitment to education is reflected in my endeavor to continue developing myself amidst challenges and busy schedules, as I believe that through preparation is the key to achieving goals. After graduation, I plan to use my knowledge and skills in product design to create innovative and functional solutions. I hope to develop products that not only fulfill the needs of society, but also contribute to sustainability and improved quality of life. It is also my ambition to be able to export my designed products overseas, so that my contributions can be felt globally. With design that focuses on sustainability and utility, I hope to make a significant positive impact, help create a better environment, and support the overall well-being of society. The dedication and hard work I have shown so far, as well as my achievements and experience, prove my commitment to success in the field of product design. I am committed to making the most of this opportunity and making meaningful contribution to society after graduation. With the support of the scholarship, I can focus more on my studies and contribute maximally in achieving my career goals. I hope to be accepted as a pioneer scholarship recipient to help realize my goals and make a positive impact on the world. Thank you.